loves, welcome back to another video. It's me, girl, Briana Marie, and we're jumping right into the video. Y'all know I had to give a Friday's video and I didn't have a video to give, so I did this one, and this is Friday's video. We're gonna start off with the Milk. This is the Pore primer that they just came out with, y'all, and I've been suffering with my pores. If y'all seen the thumbnail or if y'all just seen the video in general, y'all know that my videos are high quality and you see my skin for real. My skin is there. Okay, I love the packaging. I love the black matte packaging, y'all. And I also been trying this pore stuff from Benefit to try to help minimize my pores. You can never get rid of pores, you can only minimize them. So I've been trying to make them smaller. And then I'm gonna get a facial, and I also want to try this chemical peel from Pore Star, y'all. I'm thinking about it. If anybody has tried one, let me know in the comment section below. But right now, I did try that primer, and it looked like it did its job, y'all. I was amazed. However, when I started to wear, like when I finished my face, it started to like get a little oily. I feel like you can still see the pores. They're not as big as before, but you can still see them. So I don't know. I feel like I just need to work on it and stop trying to get stuff to cover it up. I feel like when I work on it and use that, it'll minimize. Like, it'll be so smooth looking. So I'm gonna start using ice as well. Anyways, back into the tutorial. I went ahead and put NARS new Caledonia foundation all over my face, y'all. And now what I'm using is Milani 2-in-1 concealer. Let me not get y'all wrong with that one. Let me see what concealer this is. This is Milani Concealer Plus Perfect Longwear concealer. See, I'm talking about some 2-in-1. That is not it. And I used the shade Pure Beige and Cool Sand. See, I know. And I tapped it. Well, I sprayed my face and I tapped it out, y'all. Basically the same thing that I do. The tutorial will be on Instagram. I just want to show y'all exactly how I do my face and how my face has been looking, y'all. It is up and down. Like, my skin, it'll be looking like it's about to clear, and then the next minute it'll look like I need to work on it some more, if that makes sense. I don't know why it does that, but I just feel like I need several chemical peels to get rid of everything that's on my face. And so I'm just taking this brush from Real Techniques and I'm blending out this concealer. I love to spray my concealer because it just basically reactivates it from being drying. More so, I don't want it to be super matte. I want it to reactivate and then blend it out. Now I'm taking my Tarte Tip Shape Concealer in 10 Sand. I like the lighter one for my nose. And then I'm taking Colourpop 210 Deep for my contour. Y'all, I snatched that nose. I swear, when the nose be getting on, it be like it's snatched to the guys. I just love this part. That's my favorite part, is blending out, doing that nose. That just makes the look for me. It does, because it just gives that slim snatch nose. Okay, so now I am blending this contour into the concealer. And before then, when I did lay that concealer down and blend it out, make sure you take your foundation brush and blend it around the edges of that concealer. That's just so everything can be seamless. There's so many ways that you can do your face, okay? And I've tried so many ways, but I still haven't tried enough ways. Let me make it make sense. I haven't tried enough ways. I do see a lot of people on well, not a lot of people. There's one specific person on YouTube. He does makeup, and I think I want to do like try to recreate how he do it, cause he be snatching faces. I can't think of the name right now, but he be snatching faces. But right now, I'm gonna add my butter powder. This is from Tia. I'm gonna leave her stuff in the description right below. She has some good powder. This is my first time trying it, and I fell in love. It melted so seamlessly, y'all, into the skin, and that's the perfect color for me. I like a lighter powder. I don't know if she has one lighter than that, but I'm pretty sure she does. However, that is the color Butter. Now, I usually take my Mercier deep dark concealer. Deep dark powder, loose powder, and deep, trying to loose and deep. and I set the areas. And I should have set it because most of the time when I do it that way, it don't have me looking like shiny, like that shine that seeks through the powder. I don't know if y'all get what I'm saying, but it don't have me look like that. I still look matte, however, I feel like I needed to be super matte. So I went ahead and took my Fenty Beauty matte powder, foundation powders in the shade 430, and I powder my face. Now I'm doing the nose, and I did take my Morphe Phenom bronzer from the Glamabronze collection, and I bronze. Now I am cutting my cheeks out and also the sides of my nose so that it could be really snatched. That is the loose powder in deep. I went ahead and did my bottom eye on, like I said, Instagram, and now I'm taking my Juvias Place blush, and I am swirling it. That's the key to blush too, so it won't just look like it's there. Like you can't see the contour and the blush at the same time. So I did go ahead and swirl it. I did my lips. Now it's time for the highlighter, y'all. That is it. That is it. Everything will be on Instagram if y'all want to see more. But don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on my next tutorial.